Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Sorry for the absence of uploads. I know only uploaded one video last week, and I just want to say I'm very sorry about that. But today we're here for the new video of the Transit rebuild. Just a quick note: the Transit is already finished, but again, I didn't take a photo when it was finished. But the car is still in the shop, so I'm gonna take a photo in the morning before it gets delivered. So this is pretty much what we did last week, of course. But the last week, oh god, throughout basically pretty much of all consequences. It been raining almost the whole week. The whole 7 day forecast from last week was just all rain. But finally Sunday was pretty much a dry week, but still was pretty muggy and really humid. And as well Monday as well. Yesterday was just pretty much rain still, just a little bit of rain and then more thunder, of course. But um, we did everything around. Everything good as always. But here is basically some things we did here. Did some body work on the quarter panel, basically checking the back of the rear back bumper as well, and also the door skin, and it fit perfectly fine. Had some tunes and other minor adjustments as well. GRX8, just more stuff for the GR86. Hold up, I'm going so much, I'm spoiling the other things. But here's the other one here for the other side. This is pretty much how this door skin is, front side, well, in the rear end, so you didn't see the quarter panel as well. But this is pretty much what we did. It's the only photos I have as well. I didn't have the photos when it was body filler and all that stuff. So I just want to say I do really apologize. I think I should have done take some, but pretty much I was everywhere in the shop. So I didn't really take that much photos. Only two photos as well. But tomorrow, hopefully I can get a photo of the finishing touches, the finishing pieces of this Transit as well. This is a cool vehicle as well. Only 30,000 miles on the clock. So, but this thing is really dirty. I think whoever, I don't know, they probably just leave it in the corner being rain and a bunch of tree sap because that's how it pretty much is. And you can see all this here. But there's more stuff as well, but we clean it as much as we can as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. It's only like a 2 minute video, and it'll probably go to three. I don't know if not, but if you guys do like these videos, I just want to say again, sorry for it. Drop a like and subscribe if new to check out other videos as well, and also even the GRX6 build as well. But I'll see you guys in the next episode on the GRX build. Let me just upload this one, and we're gonna get to the other one. All right. Pretty much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.